Hello, everyone. This is Laura Burmeister, and I'm Emily Krim. And we would like to start with some typical challenges that you might have. Your components are not clearly sorted, and you have no transparency on their overall status. That makes it harder for you to plan ahead for maintenance and repairs.
Your components are getting older and older. At the same time, you want to optimize your plant and ensure flawless operations.
Your industrial PCs are not performing at their very best anymore, and you want to find out why.
You want to exchange data even across plants and also with Siemens experts. At the same time, you want to use data in the most intelligent way.
You need to reduce time to market and gain a higher productivity whenever and wherever. Our industry premium portal will help you with all these and even more challenges. It is all in one, a central service platform helping you to keep your machines and plants up and running.
Now, first, I would like to start nailing it down. The Industry Premium Portal technically is a platform that connects our service providers with you as our customers. Now, with that platform, we want to build up an ecosystem for cloud-based offerings and also cloud-based services. The Industry Premium Portal is primarily concentrating on self-services. That means you will upload your data and then get direct results in form of reports or in form of dashboards. The Industry Premium Portal is not only focusing on one specific Siemens industry, but is covering all of them, and so also covering all of the Siemens products that are available in the market. And here comes the cool thing. Getting access to the Industry Premium Portal is super easy. You just have to register for the platform and you will get immediate access to some first service offerings. For example, our asset management, which provides you with transparency on your installed base, meaning all the assets that are in your shop floor, or an initial version of the lifecycle check, of course, providing you with transparency on your product lifecycle status. Now, in addition to those free offerings, we also have some add-on services. These can be purchased and booked individually. These come, for example, in monthly subscriptions or yearly subscriptions. We also do support some pay-per-use models. Here you can really choose what suits you best. Now, summing it up real quick, with this very modular approach, you're able to tailor your own package of services. There is no need to buy some predefined bundles or predefined packages. You book what suits you best. And of course, there's more to come. We can see here we already added a bunch of services to the Industry Premium Portal, but we are constantly expanding the platform and also constantly expanding the service offerings.
But now let's jump into the real interface. Our Industry Premium Portal is an easy-to-use self-service platform that navigates you through its apps. Anytime and anywhere, you will find all its services on the homepage. If you want to upgrade or purchase additional offerings, you simply use the add-on bar on the bottom of the page. Notifications on the top will inform you about latest changes in your installed base. Now, the Industry Premium Portal contains of several services that are linked to this installed base. One of our core offerings is the asset management. It structures and continuously tracks your inventory. So let's show you how. If you want to create a new asset list, you simply start by building up your own personalizable tree structure. You can add the required information such as company, country, or city. Once you've defined the location, you simply upload a file with your components. And we really try to make it as easy as possible, so the portal accepts many different file formats such as Pronada scans or Clarity files. So when the data is uploaded, you will receive the structure table format. And just to highlight, on the right side, you will receive a traffic light indication that gives you a status on the current life cycle.
Now, once this list has been generated, you are, of course, also able to insert some changes or change the data that is given here. You can do that in the so-called detailed view just by clicking on the respective asset. Then you insert your changes or new information, click on Save Changes, and then the changes will be displayed in your asset list we've just seen. Now, what is also very important when it comes to the Industry Premium Portal's assets is that we are also combined or connected with the Siemens application My Registration. That means once you are uploading your data, for example, concerning your iBase, your installed base, the assets that you have in your shop floor, then it is automatically be pushed to My Registration as well. And also we do it the other way around. If you already uploaded your data to My Registration, then we will also display it within the Industry Premium Portal. So we are not building up a new database, but connecting what is already there.
Now, as mentioned, our asset management shows a first indication of the lifecycle status. But if you want even more information, the Lifecycle Information Services is the right choice for you. We offer it in 3 different versions, which differ in the amount of information that they provide. The first version, the Lifecycle Information Service Basic, is free of charge and already gives a comprehensive overview over the current lifecycle status. The other 2 are add-ons, so they are subject to charge. Here and today, we will show you the first add-on version that already gives a full transparency on the lifecycle status. But just to mention, before Laura dives in deeper, there's also a third comprehensive version, the Lifecycle Information Services Comprehensive, that offers an additional benefit through a personal Siemens expert support that gives recommendations.
Now, when it comes to the Lifecycle Information Service, also here you start with uploading your data. Very similar to what we have already seen when it came to the asset management. So once the upload was successful, you will get both. On the one hand side, you will get a premium overview of your complete plan. On the other side, you will get a very detailed list regarding all the different assets that are containing in the list. Now, what we can see here are 2 of the 3 pie charts provided by the service, concentrating on the delivery capability, the predicted product lifecycle, of course, and also the current availability. We also display here how many of our components are in which status. You can see that when you have a look at the coloring. When we take, for example, our lower pie charts, we can see that 2 of our components are already no longer available. That means we definitely have to keep an eye on those components and ensure, or we could replace them in order to avoid an unexpected downtime or an unexpected problem. Now, when we continue to scroll down, we get to the detailed view I just mentioned. Here you will get more information, further information on, for example, if a successor product is available. And also, we can directly put it in our online shopping cart. Just by clicking this little shopping cart you can see on the right, then the component will automatically be added to your online shopping cart. Another option that you get when you are using the Lifecycle Information Service is that you're able to download a PDF report, of course also containing all the information that we are giving here within the Industry Premium Portal dashboard. You can, for example, share it with your Siemens contact, or you can just have it for your own documentation.
Now, all that we have just presented, we are also showing here on-site at the fair. We enriched the Exynos machine from the KIT with information from Industry Premium Portal's assets and lifecycle check. The Exynos machine shows a battery stacking process by means of Z-folding with adjustable battery length. This advanced machine engineering makes use of the power of digital twins and virtual commissioning. This all whilst gaining an even higher productivity in this last step of the battery production. Now the Industry Premium Portal scans the many and so important Siemens components, delivering transparency, enabling a better planning of maintenance and repairs, and thus ensuring a flawless operation. So now that we're coming to an end of this presentation, Laura, what are the key 3 takeaways our audience should remember?
I mean, that's rather easy, right? And as we are talking about the Industry Premium Portal, we do, of course, have 3 benefits for you that are displayed here. First would be the premium availability, service anytime, anywhere. Second is our premium configuration, and I just mentioned it, I think, 100 times. You decide which service you want and which service really adds value to your business. And last but definitely not least, our premium overview, everything you need when it comes to cloud-based services and cloud-based offerings in just one single place.